riding on the horse. Look, Sam. Look.
Hey!
Kaya pasigin, macho. Pasigin niya.
Look at the horse. Oh my god.
There's another horse.
Say hi.
What's up, guys? Just show you real quick that it's raining ice right now. Look. Look at this. Hold on, let me turn this way. It's raining ice. And it's all over the car. Like a slushy. It's raining ice. It's like little bitty ice pellets. Look at that. So if it gets any colder, this whole windshield will be covered, will be hard. So, and the ground is getting very slick. It's very slippery right now. And my driveway is like at an incline. Well, you can't see it because it's dark, but my driveway kind of slopes down. So I'm going right now and buy some salt because in the morning it's going to be very slippery out here. The rain kind of stopped, but if it keeps raining, it's going to get bad. So we're going to go to Lowe's right now and get some salt to put on the ground.
It says hey guys.
So we're going to get this salt right here. How much is it? Look.
$8.79.
Yeah, we're going to get that.
I get that.
Now I'm going to put it up here. Come here. Okay, you're a sucker? Okay, let me put this in here. Ooh. Got this just in time. It's snowing. The snow is coming down. Look at that. Let's go home. Let's go home. Okay, guys. So we're back home. And look at this. There's already snow on the car. The whole windshield is covered. Snow. Yeah. So you remember how it was when I left? Okay. So let me get my son out the car. Okay. Let me get you out. And then you can jump on your trampoline for a little bit while I get this stuff out the car.
Wow, this is so cool. The snow.
You want to put snow on your sucker?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. I'll get it on your feet because you only got Crocs on.
Her Crocs?
Yeah, their shoes are called Crocs. Okay. You go over there and jump and I'll get this out the car. Put my gloves on. Come here. Come back up here, please. Because there's a car coming down the street.
Daddy, I want to go that way.
Not yet. Wait a minute. Get this salt out.
I need 5 minutes. What's up, guys? Today at Wallace. Then, look at that.
Okay. I'm getting sleepy sitting at this computer. Let's go ahead and see what they're doing. See what's cooking. See over here we got some lumpia. Something to snack on later. Pen is over here making some. This is pork belly, right? Pork belly with some jalapeno pepper. What is this going to be? Six. Usually they make that with the face, right?
The ear.
The mask.
Pig's ear.
Pig's ear?
Yeah.
I thought it was the face.
big face food.
They usually
Also
use it
big face,
with the
wings,
mask, yeah.
anything in the
But this is pork
Like
belly.
different parts, they use different parts.
Okay, so she's making that. And then my lovely Asawa's over here making the
asawa kaayo.
the sweet tray. Yeah, she's down there. There's the lumpia that's not done yet.
No, there's food over there.
Yeah, she cooks some over here, and I have a ham down there. And show you what we got over here. Turn my light on. Oh, this is the light that I installed right here. There's that. My wife put that up. That's my calamansi tree. I grew from seeds. It's been growing for like 4 years. Okay. And here's this table set up. My wife set this table up. That's very good too. What is this one called? I forgot. Oh yeah, pancit. Usually you have a lot of noodles in it, but there's not a lot of noodles in there. It's at the bottom. So after they get done with everything, we'll show you guys the food. There's our tree. The gifts are not under there yet. We got a lot of gifts in there that we're wrapping. So we're gonna put those up under there later. And we got this little setup right here for everybody. Yeah, we'll get back with you guys once we get everything set up. I think we got a secret Santa or something. Cause I just opened the door because we're cooking and I wanted the smoke to go out. And I opened the door and there's a little gift sitting outside. And I know it's for my son, but we're gonna go see. We're gonna go see. It's right over here. He doesn't know it's out here, but I seen it. I'm gonna show you guys. Look at that. We got a secret Santa. So my son don't know it's here. So I'm gonna go get him. Babe, there's something at the door. Open the door and see what's that. What is that? I don't know.
Merry Christmas Day opening this up.
What? It looks like somebody like, right?
Yeah.
What? Baka yung kapitbahay.
Good job.
Probably.
Yeah.
I will buy something for them. What?
Wow.
No names.
They-
Our secret Santa.
Yeah, they're like our secret Santa. What she got? A healthier 2021. 2021. That's good.
It's good, Dad, you know?
Yeah, this is good. It's
But this
got
one is the
different,
next fruit.
multiple fruits in it.
This one is